This is Duke University.
I'm Emelina Vienneau. I'm a recent graduate from Duke University Biomedical Engineering, and I spent the last 2 years working in Junji Yao's lab in photoacoustics. Definitely the most rewarding experience that I had was in my senior design class. My class was a 2-semester class, which was the first time that Duke had ever done this. And the first semester we spent working with our clinician in Duke Hospital, and we did a lot of needs finding and tried to define the problem that we were working with. And we decided to pursue respiratory muscle training. So patients that have very weak respiratory muscles have to strengthen those muscles with a breathing device so that they can go about their daily lives. So our goal was to build a more comprehensive respiratory muscle training device. We went through many iterations of this device, starting out with an entirely analog mechanical device, and eventually we settled for something electromechanical. And after 7 months of trying to decide what to build, we finally built our device in 1 month. And this experience was incredibly rewarding by the end because we were designing something that was clinically relevant, which is why all of us are BME to begin with, is we want to design things that are used in the clinic. So our clinician was extremely happy with the results, and when we showcased this device at the symposium, all of the users interacted with the device and we received lots of positive feedback about the user friendliness and the overall experience of using the device. So that was definitely my most rewarding experience as a biomedical engineer at Duke. So in the fall, I'm going to Vanderbilt University to study ultrasound with Dr. Brett Byram. And I'm going to be working on transcranial ultrasound of the brain without contrast agents, which is pretty difficult. No one has figured out how to do it. We don't know if it's possible, but we'll see. So in Duke BME, I really discovered the importance of working with the right people on the right project, and I found that teamwork really is synergistic in engineering. Moving forward, I feel much more prepared to collaborate with my peers in a laboratory setting, as well as in industry beyond. I would say that you need to have just one thing in your life that isn't engineering, and it can seem overwhelming at first with so many difficult classes, but if you just have one outlet that isn't related to engineering, I think that will be very helpful.
This is Duke University.